Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kim Victoria, aka Kim K Royalty. Today what we'll be doing is brow grooming. First of all, if you're new here, welcome to the family. Salut de joie, ekabo, no, bienvenue, and lastly, Shodive. Mind you, there is an easier way to do this, which is to go to a professional to groom your brows. That is my advice. But if you want to learn to do it for yourself, there's no harm in learning. Just know that in learning you make mistakes. So guys, if you're new here, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button. Kindly also push the notification button so that you don't get to miss any videos from me whenever they get uploaded. And you know, at the end of this video, if you find it useful, you can like and share with your friends. Finally, what we are going to be needing to, you know, groom your brow, just 3 simple or 4 simple things. You need your wipes, very necessary for cleaning the surface before and after. And you also need your blade. I'll be using this one, Gillette.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Gillette. I don't know what it's pronounced.
Gillette.
But this is what I'll be using. And finally, you're going to be needing your spoolie brush, and you also need a mirror. You cannot freestyle this because it's a very delicate and sensitive, you know, part of your body. So you also need your mirror to be doing this, guys. So right now we're just going to dive in. This is what my brows look like 3 weeks without grooming. I purposely left it that way for the purpose of this video. So we're just going to start immediately with a spoolie brush, and it's important to brush out these hairs, you know, the overgrown ones. As if you can see properly, you'd notice that the hairs are very long and bushy. So if you're going to do this, you need to comb upwards in this motion. Guys, another tip to use is to follow your brows with a brow pencil. The areas that you want to trim off, you follow it through with the brow pencil so that you don't make mistakes. So there is that way. And the next way is to just, you know, if you're very used to your brow hairs, you just, you know, go for it. So yeah, done combing. Next we're going with our razor blade. We call it razor blade in Nigeria. I don't know where that started from, but you know, that's what we call it. So guys, if you're a beginner, like I said, I advise you go to a professional to help you with this. But if you want to learn, be ready to have some injuries, because that's my dear friend, you're definitely going to have. So first, with the brushed up hairs, I'm just going to take this edge of the blade and, you know, just trim them like so. Guys, remember, blades are very sharp, so if you don't place them in the right angle, you might end up just going into your skin and injuring yourself. So that after that, you take your spoolie brush and still brush up. I know you can see that it has already given it a nice definition already, but because of how grown my brows are, the hairs are rather, I'm just still going to go brush them out like this, and still going with my blade to get rid of these tiny ones. So done with that. Next up, guys, is this part. and I would start with the edges, right from the edges, immediately right this part. And for this, you guys are going to need both your hands, so I don't know how I'm going to do this, but so I'm just going to raise my brows instead, since one of my hands is occupied, and take down the edge. Can you see that? Like I said, guys, if you can see, I bent my blade this way, so that if I leave it straight and just go in, I might cut myself. And then now I'm going to start with the outer corner and just, you know, go in like that. Can you see that? See that? Right? Next, you brush the hairs downward. And my hairs are thick and quite strong, so like I said, our brows are not identical twins, they are sisters, maybe step sisters. Okay, so then you take your wipe and dust off any hairs you might have on your face. Definitely you're going to have hairs on your face, so you dust that out, and there you have it, fresh from the oven. Your brows are groomed with a little bit of souvenir. Yeah, as for the injury part, it doesn't happen every day. Some days are like that, so you just have to, you know, nurse it and try as much as possible not to put products on your brows if you have an injury for like 24 hours. So that's the way to just keep it, you know, clean and allow it breathe and allow it to start healing before you go into it with any form of cosmetic or product. So guys, thank you very much for staying. Hope to see you same time, same place, same station, same YouTube channel next week. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, just do that so that we can increase and the ministry can move to the permanent site. Yeah, and you know, the other good stuff, like hit the notification button, share with a friend, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please, 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 I appreciate all your comments. I try my best to, I reply all my comments. Yes, I reply all my comments. Yeah, so please do leave a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I love you.